Hi everyone, today you're going to learn and practice the most common past time expressions in Persian.
Yesterday in Persian is دیروز. Last night is دیشب. The day before yesterday is پریروز. The night before last night is پریشب. And last year is پارسال. When we want to ask when was the first time, we ask اولین بار کی. Literally, first time, when. And for when was the last time, we have آخرین بار کی. Literally, last time, when. We also have two important time patterns for the past tense. With our first time pattern, we can form phrases like an hour ago, 2 days ago, 3 nights ago, and so on. For this, we begin with our number, we continue with our time unit, and we end with پیش or قبل. So an hour ago would be یه ساعت پیش. 2 days ago would be دو روز قبل. 3 nights ago would be سه شب پیش. 4 weeks ago would be 4 هفته قبل. 5 months ago would be 5 ماه پیش. And for a phrase like 6 years ago, we have 6 سال قبل. With our second time pattern, we can form phrases like last week, last Saturday, last weekend, and so on. For this, we begin with our time unit, and we end with پیش or قبل again, with اضافه in between to link our time unit to its modifier. So for a time phrase like last week, we have هفته پیش. For last Saturday, we have شنبه قبل. Last weekend would be آخر هفته پیش. For last month, we have ماه قبل. And the time phrase like last summer would be تابستون پیش. Now let's put our past time expressions into practice. I had a lot of work yesterday. من دیروز خیلی کار داشتم. I didn't have time at all last night. من دیشب اصلاً وقت نداشتم. Did you travel last year? تو پارسال مسافرت کردی؟ Didn't you go home an hour ago? تو یه ساعت پیش نرفتی خونه؟ He came here 3 days ago. اون 3 روز پیش اومد اینجا. She wasn't home 2 nights ago. اون 2 شب قبل خونه نبود. We spoke 6 weeks ago. ما 6 هفته پیش صحبت کردیم. We didn't go out last weekend. ما هفته قبل نرفتیم بیرون. Did you watch a movie last Friday? شما جمعه پیش فیلم نگاه کردین؟ Didn't you stay home last summer? شما تابستون قبل خونه نموندین؟ They worked a lot last week. اونا هفته پیش خیلی کار کردن. They didn't take any breaks last month. اونا ماه قبل اصلاً استراحت نکردن. When was the first time you spoke Persian? اولین بار کی فارسی صحبت کردی؟ When was the last time you went shopping? آخرین بار کی خرید کردی؟ When was the first time you lived alone? اولین بار کی تنها زندگی کردی؟ And when was the last time you practiced Persian? آخرین بار کی فارسی تمرین کردی؟
Perfect. Now you know how to use your Persian past time expressions when talking about past events. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.